Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skills. Now we are going to learn about passive voice of present continuous tense. All rules are same like simple tenses except before. Already we learned some rules about active voice changes passive voice in the simple present tense. Subject changes object, object changes subject. Main verb is used past participle and suitable be form is added before it. We learned about subjective case and objective case in the simple past tense. We learned about transitive and intransitive verbs and need not write doer in the simple future tense. In this tense, suitable be form being. This tense means present continuous tense. It is active voice. For example, serial number 1, I am teaching English here. Here, I is subject, am is helping verb, teaching is main verb, English is object, here is adverb. It is called extra and others also. It is present continuous tense, that is active voice. It changes into passive voice. English is being taught here. Serial number 2, they are selling milk here. The passive voice, milk is being sold here. Third sentence, she is preparing lunch there. In the passive voice, lunch is being prepared there. These three sentences are positive sentences. Here and there are adverbs. These are called others and extra also. It is option to write as your choice. if we want to change negative sentence, we will write not after helping verb in the active voice and passive voice. For example, serial number 1, I am not teaching English. The passive, English is not being taught. Here, teach is V1, taught is V2 and V3 also. So in the passive voice, English is not being taught. Second sentence, they are not selling milk. Milk is not being sold in the passive voice. The third sentence, she is not preparing lunch. In the passive, lunch is not being prepared. Prepare is V1. Prepared is V1 and V2 also. Preparing is V4. That is past participle. The same way, sell is V1. Sold is V2 and V3. Selling is V4. That is past participle. Teach is V1. Taught is V1, V2. Teaching is V4. That is past present participle. Here also, the selling and preparing also present participle. If we want to change interactive sentence, we will write helping verb before subject in the passive voice and active voice, and add question mark in the ending. For example, serial number 1, am I teaching English, and add question mark in the passive, as English being taught, and add question mark. Second sentence, are they selling milk, and add question mark. Is milk being sold, add question mark. Here milk is singular, so use helping verb is. They is plural, so we use are helping verb. The third sentence, is she preparing lunch? In the passive, is lunch being prepared, and add question mark. We must practice with remaining useful main verbs and subjects to get more knowledge about passive voice of present continuous tense. Thank you.